In every village, town and city across the country, there is a worst and a best estate agent. So which one do you want for your property? The trouble is, when so many look the same, sound the same and claim the same, how can you tell who's actually the best?
Well, that's where we come in. For over 20 years, we've assessed estate agents in the Southwest, and having measured the performance of every single property that has come onto the market, we know that Webber's Estate Agents is one of the very best in the whole country, and without doubt for you.
We look at every single property that comes onto the market. We ask, did it sell or let? How long did it take? Did it achieve the asking price or more or less? Did the transaction proceed or fall through?
We compare each estate agent on your patch, so it's not a national average, but an individual assessment of every single agent in your area. And Webber's Estate Agents is without question one of the very best in the Southwest.